train just coming in, Tom, isn't it? Train just coming in. Hey, look at this. Fantastical. Shall we see what it's called? Hey. Oh, the city of Liverpool. Well, we've seen that before, haven't we? Hey. Thought we'd just pop into the station, didn't we? Yeah. See if there was any trains, and look, Bob's your uncle, there is a train. Yeah. And as soon as this is finished, we shall be going off home and seeing if we can get ourselves a cup of tea. Do you want a cup of tea, Tobes? Yeah, you'd love a cup of tea. Go on then. Good lad. You what, you'd rather have a pint of beer? You can't have a pint of beer, you're not 18 yet. When you get to 18, right, I'll let you have a sip of Dad's Guinness. Well, not before, alright? It's a nice drink of water for you, I think, mate. Cup of tea for Dad. Yeah? Shall we say bye-bye to everybody now? Bye-bye, everybody!
There are any customers just arriving at platform